In this video, I want to expose 13 brand new niches which are unstoppable opportunities that will let you work from home with a laptop or a smartphone and make upwards of $10,000 per month. A complete newbie can easily get started with it. It is not necessary for you to use a camera or expose your face or record your own videos. It is a simple, easy and requires zero to no skills, so everyone can do it. However, before I provide you the secret, just scroll down and press the like and subscribe button for my brief point to the point no BS videos. Thanks. Additionally, if you want more details on YouTube automation, click on the link to the free masterclass in the description. It's not mine, but it came from someone who will reveal more secrets to you. And all the channels I'm going to mention here are faceless and also don't need to film anything with your camera or phone, so I will not waste your time by repeating the line on each niche. And the earning can be more because the default CPM of Social Blade is 25 cents to $4. So the channel niches are here, but wait for the end because I'm going to reveal a special jackpot cash cow channel that is making upwards of 100k a month. Yes, $1.2 million a year with it. Before I give you all the secret niches, to make sure please don't start any of these type of channels, completions channels or just music channels or something like copy paste directly from like meditation channel, rain channels, because they are not gonna work. I'm telling you because I've tried a lot of different channels from these types and I've seen people fail a lot. So don't waste your time. Don't start a dogs and cats funny video completion channel or rain channel or meditation channel because it will take a lot of your time and will not be get monetized because the YouTube policies are not strict. So make sure do not make these mistakes and let's get started in the video. So first niche, this channel is making $22,000 per month and is gaining more than 5 million views per month, and the name of the channel is called Cinema Sticks. It's a weekly series of filmmaking stories and video essays with a focus on popular classic movies. For example, this
character, hands down.
I'm gonna make this pencil disappear.
I'm giving you all the unique and best channels niches that I'm able to find by analyzing lots of videos and research, so subscribe and like will be much appreciated. So the next channel is making over $27,000 per month and gaining more than 6 million views, and the name of the channel is called Wendover Productions, and it's all about explaining how our world works, from travel to economics to geography to make marketing and more through the video essays. Also, I'm telling you how many views are they getting, so you can get the idea that these niches are working because these channels are getting millions of views. So the next channel is making $65,000 per month. Yes, $65,000 per month with 16 million views per month, and the name of the channel is called Looper, which is a faceless channel which reveals Easter eggs and secrets hidden in the film, exposing movie mistakes, highlighting the best deleted scenes or uncovering the, and you can make a video like this.
For now, keep watching to find out about the revelation Thor himself had.
So the next channel is in the celeb niche, but in a specific way which is making it around $5,000 per month with over 1.5 million views, and the name of the channel is called Celebrity Cars. Here you will find videos about the celebrity car collection, for example like these videos.
Estimated at more than $75 million. Fashion is one of his main.
The next channel is making $19,000 per month with more than 4 million views, and the name of the channel is called Hip Hop Daily. It posts content around rappers, whether it's the beef or the face off or news related to rappers, like this.
Major artist, but when he reached the top of the game, Baby decided to put the mic down.
This channel is making around $4,000 per month with approx 1 million views, with the name of the channel is called Stellar Thought. It's in the personal development niche and give advice on the red pill content, but it's totally faceless and you can use free stock footage and you can easily make these videos by yourself like these.
But it is not the assumption that manifests. It is the feeling that the assumption is back.
So the final big whale in the channel, you can see the social blade of the channel is earning $60,000 per month and gaining 15 million views. But this channel is making more than $60,000 because the owner of the channel has another channel which shows you the back secrets and how the channel is working, and he shows us around that his channel is making around $100,000 with AdSense plus sponsorships and affiliate marketing. And it's just a fact channel for Hollywood and give facts about different movies, for example like this.
Better, but it isn't always all it's cracked up to be, especially for Disney stars.
Also, maker of the channel has its own YouTube channel that can teach you that they are making 100k a month it for free, and the name of the channel is. Till now I've given you 7 unique niches, and if you have If you like any of the niches, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Also share this video to someone who wants to get started with YouTube automation. The remaining 6 niches will be revealed in part 2, and if you want the part to be released as soon as possible, comment below part 2 fast and I will respond to you and will release the video ASAP. Take care and have a good day.